Good morning, students. Today I have come up with another video of chapter Small Industries. So, let's begin with the video. In small industries, we will study about the following topics, which are small business, what actually small business is, some features of cottage industries, role of small scale industries, and problems which are generally faced by them, and certain government incentives for the small industries for setting up in hilly or backward areas. This is a mind map for you where I have depicted the role as well as problems of small scale industries. Now, let's begin with what small scale industries are. So, small scale industries are those industries which operates on a very small scale and which requires very less investment, very less labor, as well as a very less use of machinery. These industries generally make those products which are handmade. As per Micro Small Industries Act 2006, which is also known as MSMED Act 2006, they have given their own definitions for small scale industries. A small scale industries are those industries where investment in plant and machinery is more than rupees 25 lakh but does not exceed 5 crores. Now, next is some features of cottage and small scale industries. As I told you before, that cottage and small scale industries are those industries where there is very less use of machinery. As such, as there is a very less use of machinery, the requirement of capital in such industries is quite low. Cottage industries generally produce handmade products. There is very less use of machinery here. Next feature is that cottage industries are based on labor intensive techniques. There is hardly any use of capital intensive techniques, and they are generally managed by family members itself because they generally produce handmade products and also products which are of very low cost like leather goods, plastic goods, rubber goods. So these industries are generally managed by family members. These industries need not have to employ labor and they don't have to give any kind of wages or salaries to them. They are for their own consumption. Family members are generally involved in these types of industries. Next is role of small scale industries. When we talk about the role of small scale industries, the very first point which come in our mind is employment generator. Small scale industries plays a very important role towards contribution towards the employment in the society. It has 95% of industrial units in the country. It means that generally whatever the industries are there in our country, out of them 95% of the industrial units belong to small scale. Just 5% of the industrial units are large scale industries. It is the second largest employer of human resource after agriculture. Then these industries generally produce variety of products. Variety of products like stationery, leather goods, rubber and plastic products, etc. Small scale industries also play a very crucial role towards the export of the country. About 45% of the total export of the country comes from these industries. So, From this point, we can well imagine, we can well judge that these small scale industry plays such an important role for bringing foreign exchange, valuable foreign exchange for the country, and thus plays important role which leads to the development of the country. Next is balanced regional development. When we talk about balanced regional development, means that there is overall regional development in the country. Generally, what happens? India generally suffers from the problem of, you can say, unequal distribution of wealth. The rich is getting more richer, the poor is getting more poorer. You will be very surprised to know the fact which I am going to tell you, that about 85% of the total population, total country's wealth is in the hands of only 15% of the top bureaucrats, whereas 15% of the country's wealth is distributed among 85% of the total population of the country. 15% wealth is in the hands of 85% of population, whereas 85% of population has just 15% of the income. So these small scale industries play a very crucial role in removing unequal distribution of wealth, because these industries can be set up anywhere in the countries, even in hilly areas, even in backward and slum areas. Rather, government is also playing its role by providing them lot of incentives to those industries who decide to set up their who decide to establish their units in slum areas or hilly areas. They are providing lot of incentive to these industries to promote the development of small scale industries in these areas, so that we can have a balanced regional development all throughout. And next is low cost of production. This is an added advantage of small scale industries. They enjoy the privilege of producing low cost of products. They generally use very simple and local resources in the market, local resources in their products. So as they are using local resources, simple technology, no use of machinery, so the cost of production of producing the goods by these industries is quite low. Next is problems of small scale industries. Now, what are the problems which are generally faced by these industries? Very first is lack of finances. Small scale industry generally suffers from the shortage of funds to carry on their operations. As a result, they have to depend on banks for short term, medium term, and long term loans. Then, raw material and power. As these industries suffer from the shortage of finances, as a result, they have to face the problem of buying the raw material in huge quantity. Moreover, these industries cannot produce the products in bulk quantity because they also face the shortage of storage and warehousing facilities. For storing, generally there is a time gap between production and consumption of goods. The goods which are produced cannot be consumed at the same time. So there we need some time. These industries need some time to store their goods. So these industries face the problem of storing the goods as there is a lack of storage and warehousing facilities. Next is traditional techniques of production. These industries use very simple technology, less machinery. So handmade products are generally produced by these industries. So they are generally involved in traditional techniques of production. Next is tough competition. Small scale industries has to give need to give a cutthroat competition, especially to large scale industries or multinational companies. As large scale or multinational companies do not have any problem of shortage of finances, so generally when the competition comes with large scale or multinational companies, they generally takes a back seat due to lack of finances. So in this competition, large scale and multinational companies take the game from them. Some other problems which are generally faced by small scale industries are lack of demand for their production. Sometimes they produce such product because they generally deal in low variety of low cost of production of goods. though they produce variety of products, but those products are of low cost. So generally sometimes the people are not in favor of buying those commodities, which lead to lack of demand for their products. Labor problem is another problem. Generally, some industries are set up in such areas, in slum areas, or in those areas where there is lack of access to transportation. As there is lack of access to transportation, there is also a labor problem. So this is another problem. Then problem of marketing. Whenever you produce any product, marketing is the foremost thing to do. Due to lack of marketing, they cannot make their goods available to all parts of the country, because it is only advertisement through which we can make the people aware about the launching of the new product. But when marketing is not there of the new products, these companies, these industries need to suffer, has to suffer. And then burden of local taxes also is another problem of small scale industries. Now next is incentives which are provided by the government for small scale industries in backward or hilly areas. Generally, government is always in pursuit of promoting small scale industries to set up these industries in backward or hilly areas. They always give their more than 100% to encourage them to establish their units in such areas. For this purpose, the government provides them power, generally at concessional rates of 50 to 60%. These industries are also exempted from payment of taxes for 5 to 10 years. For 5 to 10 years, because they are very helpful in bringing valuable foreign exchange from other countries. So, most of the time, these industries are exempted from payment of taxes. Most of the states have also abolished octroi for such industries. Loans are offered by the bank to such industries at very reasonable rates. Subsidies are given to them for building capital assets, etc. Then sale tax, they are also exempted from sale tax. Sale tax has been rather abolished by the government with the advent of GST. Now other taxes, more of a VAT, sale tax, service tax, all these kind of taxes are now abolished by the government. But even when these taxes were levied, still the government gives them 100% exemption from the sale tax. So these are the certain incentives which are provided by the government to small scale industries for encouraging them to set up their units in backward or hilly areas, so that they can provide employment to the people of India all throughout, and thus helps in removing unequal distribution of wealth. So this is all regarding this chapter. I think all the points are clear to you, but if at all, if you have any queries, you can feel free to contact me regarding any topic or any point. Thank you very much.